Hi everyone, today we're making Poppet chocolates, so let's get started. So we're first going to wash and dry our Poppets because we know how many grubby little fingers have been on this. And now I'm going to take my pink and my blue candy melts, put them in some paper cups and microwave them per the instructions. I did it about for 3 minutes at a power of 4. Spraying my Poppets with some canola oil. And now I'm ready to put this yummy melted chocolate into the Poppet. So we're just going to do half blue and half pink, and we're just going to spread it on evenly inside the Poppet. So I'm doing 6 of the little holes in pink and then the other ones in blue. And it doesn't matter to me because I actually want the colors to mix together, because if you notice that a Poppet has these swirly marbling on it, I wanted to create the same look. So I'm just swirling the chocolate around. And then sometimes I dip my little plastic knife in there so that I can get some swirls. And one important step is also to tap this against your countertop, because you want to get rid of the air bubbles. So tap, tap, tap. You could see that the air bubbles are coming out. You see there are little bubbles over there, and I wipe the sides so everything is clean, topping it off with some pretty sprinkles. And then after that, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. After they've been in the fridge for around 20 minutes, I take them out and bring them back to room temperature for another 20 minutes. And I am now taking out of the mold. You do want to be very careful in this process. I usually put the chocolate side down and try to pop the mold out from the outside. If you try to pull the chocolate out, you may break your chocolate. And this one is fully released, and look at how cute it is. So let's take the other ones out of the molds, and then I'll show you how they all look like. So I took this one and I kind of pried it out on the outside, and I actually broke this one because I wasn't careful, and I think that I didn't do a thick enough layer of chocolate on top, so that that little Poppet ridge was too thin. Overall, they came out perfect. I still love them. I'm going to use them as cake toppers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching, and bye now.